Nothing beats a hearty bowl of chili on a chilly evening. It's warm, comforting, and oh so satisfying. The beauty of chili lies in its simplicity, a delicious one-pot meal that's easy to make and even easier to enjoy. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen novice, this recipe will guide you through creating a flavorful chili that will warm you from the inside out. This recipe is a great starting point for exploring the world of chili. Once you've mastered the basics, you can experiment with different ingredients and spices to create your own signature version. So, gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and let's get cooking. Before we embark on our chili making adventure, let's gather the necessary ingredients. Don't be intimidated by the list. These are all readily available pantry staples. 1 pound ground beef, 1 onion, chopped, 1 green bell pepper, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 15-ounce can diced tomatoes undrained, 1 15-ounce can kidney beans rinsed and drained, 1 15-ounce can pinto beans rinsed and drained, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, half a teaspoon salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. These ingredients form the foundation of our chili, but feel free to customize it to your liking. We'll discuss variations and optional toppings later. For now, let's focus on creating a classic, flavorful base. Now that we have our ingredients prepped and ready, let's dive into the cooking process. Follow these simple steps and you'll have a pot of bubbling chili in no time. First, brown the beef. In a large pot or Dutch oven, brown the ground beef over medium heat. Use a wooden spoon to break it up into small pieces as it cooks. Drain off any excess grease. Next, sauté the veggies. Add the chopped onion and green bell pepper to the pot with the browned beef. Cook for about 5 minutes or until the vegetables are softened. Stir in the minced garlic and cook for an additional minute until fragrant. Then, combine the ingredients. Add the diced tomatoes, undrained kidney beans, pinto beans, chili powder, cumin, salt, and black pepper to the pot. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Finally, simmer and thicken. Bring the chili to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for at least 30 minutes or longer for a richer flavor. The chili will thicken as it simmers. Section 4. Seasoning to perfection, your taste, your chili. As the chili simmers, it's time to fine-tune the flavor to your liking. Remember, taste as you go. If you prefer a spicier chili, add a pinch of cayenne pepper or a dash of hot sauce. Start small and gradually increase the heat to your desired level. Taste the chili and adjust the salt accordingly. You can always add more, but you can't take it away. For a touch of sweetness, add a teaspoon of brown sugar or honey. This will help balance out the spiciness and acidity of the tomatoes. Don't be afraid to experiment with different seasonings until you achieve your perfect chili flavor profile. Section 5. Chili Companions, delicious sidekicks. No bowl of chili is complete without some delicious accompaniments. Here are a few classic pairings that will complement the flavors of your homemade creation. The sweetness of cornbread pairs perfectly with the savory chili, creating a delightful balance of flavors and textures. Crunchy tortilla chips add a satisfying crunch and are perfect for scooping up every last drop of chili. A dollop of cool, tangy sour cream helps to tame the heat of the chili and adds a creamy richness. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Feel free to get creative and serve your chili with your favorite sides. Section 6. Chili variations, exploring new flavors. Once you've mastered the basic chili recipe, don't be afraid to branch out and try different variations. Here are a few ideas to inspire your culinary creativity. Omit the ground beef and add an extra can of beans, chopped mushrooms, or crumbled veggie burgers for a hearty and flavorful vegetarian option. Swap the ground beef for cooked chicken breast and use white beans instead of kidney and pinto beans for a lighter, but equally satisfying chili. Crank up the heat by adding more chili powder, cayenne pepper, or even a chopped jalapeno pepper. The possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment and make your chili your own. Section 7. Leftovers. Love storing your chili. If you're lucky enough to have leftovers, chili tastes even better the next day. Let it cool completely, then store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. You can also freeze chili for longer storage. To reheat, simply thaw it in the refrigerator overnight and warm it up on the stovetop or in the microwave. So there you have it, a simple, delicious, and endlessly customizable chili recipe that's perfect for any night of the week. Gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and let the cozy aromas of homemade chili fill your kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share with your friends.